Major aim of every content creator is to be monetized. But calm down, don't rush it. There are steps you need, there are some requirements you need to be monetized on YouTube. In today's video, we'll be focusing on YouTube monetization. What you need to be monetized on YouTube. It's very easy and it's very simple. Without wasting much of your time, what is content monetization? What is YouTube content monetization? First of all, YouTube calls it YPP. That is, YouTube. Let's explain what YouTube monetization is. YouTube monetization is a process of being paid, or the act of being paid by the YouTube. Because the aim of this video is to understand the process and how to get into this program. First of all, there are 4 ways you can earn on YouTube. Paying you for uploading interesting videos that catches the audience, videos that attract views. You are being paid for it. The first one is content monetization. The second one is super. The third one is stickers. The fourth one is membership. I will explain in details in the course of this video. Please don't forget to watch till the end so we understand what we are talking about. If you're watching up to this time, please don't forget to click the like button, turn on the notification bell as you subscribe, so you know when I drop interesting videos like this. For you to be able to enjoy these 4 ways of earning money on YouTube, of which I've explained earlier, there are things you need to know. First of all, you need to meet up with the 4,000 watch hour, and also you need to meet with the 1,000 subscribers, or you need to also meet with 10 million views on short videos in 3 months. I know you may be worried. I know you may be wondering what is 4,000 watch hour. As I stated just a few minutes ago, 4,000 watch hour is one of the criteria. When you check on your end button, when you open your YouTube studio, there is a place as shown on this screen. You will see end button. Click on it. As long as you've started posting on your channel as a creator, you will see the end button. It will come out. Click on it. You will see the options that shows you how much watch hour you've earned. What is watch hour? Watch hour is how long a viewer stays on your video. For instance, let's say this video is 25 minutes. If 10 people watches this video for 25 minutes, you will do 10 times 25. How long a viewer watches your video accumulates to 4,000 watch hour. YouTube will sign you up for their payment program. With that being explained, the second way of getting to the monetization program is through short videos. There are some channels what they focus on is just short videos. Maybe they are into comedy, they are into lifestyle. They just chose to do short videos. Depending on your niche, you can also get monetized through shorts. Now, for you to get monetized through shorts, you need at least 3 million views in 3 months. That is to say, every month you should have at least 1 million views. Every month you should have 1 million views. Shorts does not count by time, but by views. If someone watches your shorts 5 times, 100 times, it counts. But if someone watches your long form videos for 2 seconds, 3 seconds, it does not really count, of which it counts anyways. But because the timing is too short, that is why I said it doesn't really count. So me being a content creator, I made this mistake earlier without being informed, without anybody telling me or teaching me that I should focus on long form videos for me to succeed in getting my 4,000 watch hour as quick as possible. I made that mistake, and I don't want you to make the same mistake. That is why I brought this video to your face, so you know the easier way to get to YouTube monetization program. Please note that you can actually get your 4,000 watch hour using the short form, long form, or live. With that being said, now you know there are 3 major ways you can get your watch hour, but the latter is detrimental to your channel, so I don't always talk about it. I don't always advise people to go through that route. It affected my first channel. That is to say, going through live means you can go live. There are ways on live. You can do silent live. You can do any kind of live. You can just put up something interesting and leave it on to be replaying, using many other ways, which we all did. But my friend, that is not the best route for you. Sincerely speaking, and speaking from experience, that is not the best route for you. As a new content creator, I will advise you to focus on the long form videos. Once you are able to get a captivating and interesting video that attracts a lot of views in no distant time, you will definitely get to 4,000 watch hour and you get monetized. The good thing about YouTube is that any views, once you are monetized, any view pays, no matter how small it is, no matter how long the viewer stays, it pays. And it's so interesting, isn't it? Let me know if you're actually understanding what I'm talking about in this video. Please drop your thoughts in the comment section. That would be highly appreciated. And if you have any question or whatsoever, please don't forget to ask me, as I'm willing to respond to you as soon as possible. Okay, now this is the most interesting part, which most people don't talk about in their videos. In order to get this 4,000 watch hour, there are things you need to avoid entirely. There are some guidelines YouTube has laid down that must be followed. Please do well to check them out. Number 1, no reuse of content. Before you are being accepted into YouTube monetization program, there will never be a reuse of content on your videos. What is reuse of content? Mr. A have used this video because you found it interesting and you feel your audience will like it. You go and extract it from Mr. A's page and then use on your own page. YouTube will flag it as a reuse content and you will not be accepted into YouTube monetization program. Number 2, I have some people who made these mistakes. They will go to their TikTok and extract videos from there with watermarks, post on YouTube, and then it will have a lot of views. It will not count. Any video that has another app's logo on it, it does not count. It will not be accepted into YouTube monetization program. From experience, I will advise you to avoid posting your videos first on other apps before posting it on YouTube. For me, YouTube is the pata of them all. I always post my videos first on YouTube, then I will take from my gallery to other apps. Of course, I'm monetized on Facebook, I'm monetized on TikTok, and I have like 3 channels monetized. So when I'm telling you this, I'm telling you from experience as my friend, so you don't make this kind of mistake. Do you understand? A lot of people have made this mistake and it cost them their monetization program. It pays so much that you apply for this monetization program and it will be declined. It will take another 2 weeks or thereabout to apply again, and you know what that means. It's really demoralizing, and I don't want you to fall a victim. There is one major thing I will not forget to talk about. Even if you have this 4,000 watch hour without getting to 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, no matter how you get it, 1,000 subscribers in 1 year, please note that all these things I'm talking about, the 4,000 watch hour I'm talking about, goes for 365 days. Is not a month stuff. 365 days is enough for anyone to get 4,000 watch hour, as long as you are posting interesting videos that will catch the audience. Do you understand? Please, as a beginner content creator, don't make the mistake of also buying subscribers. YouTube has their machine. They have a way of knowing that yes, this person actually got inorganic subscribers, and you will not be accepted into this program. So for you to come clean, get your subscribers organically, and it will also help you to grow your page fast. When your video catches the attention of a viewer, they will subscribe genuinely, and when someone subscribes to your channel, it means they're interested in whatever you are posting. When you post your next video, they will also like to view your videos. So please don't make that mistake of getting inorganic subscribers. It won't help you at all. They have a way of fishing that out. Another mistake you to avoid trying to get monetized on YouTube is to post another person's content. Please and please always post original content. It will help you. You will not have any issue. I fell victim of this in the past. As a beginner content creator, I always say from my experience, and I don't want you to fall victim of this. So please don't post another person's video. Whether they tell you to bring it from Facebook, bring it from other apps and edit it, no matter how you edit it, they have a way, they have a means of knowing that this is not your own. So why trying to manipulate the machines? They are too tech. You cannot manipulate them in such manners. I was a victim of this, so please do not fall victim of this. Okay, without wasting much of your time, we continue on another video. Please, if you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you know when I drop interesting videos on this channel like this. Thank you for watching, as I hope to see you in my next one. Until then, bye. Please subscribe.